right. So we're going to talk about the solving rational equation, and when we work on this one, there can be two different type of equations. First type, you're going to have two terms. So one of them is going to be, if you have that one, you're going to keep one of them on one side, the other one on the other side. If it is already done for you, you just start solving them. If it is not done for you, you have to move, say both of them are on the same side, you're going to move one of them to the other side and then start solving. Since over here both of them are on two different sides, the only thing that we have to do now is that do the cross multiplication, or in your words is the butterfly. So we're just going to multiply this with this one and this with this one, and then solve. Remember, it's an equation, it's not an expression. So you have to find the x values. Like over here, when you were working on the simplifying rationals, none of them were equation. So you were not expected to solve anything. So you were not supposed to give me any x values. You were just factoring, canceling, those type. But here, it's an equation. Equation means an equal sign. It means there are the variables. You have to find me the values for it. Also at the end, you have to find the restrictions for it. Okay, let's see this one. So over here, we're going to multiply 1 with 11x plus 8. Whenever you have a term adding or subtracting with each other, always put them under the parentheses. Is going to be equal to x times 2x plus 5. Now we're going to distribute. So it's going to be 11x plus 8 is equal to, what do I get over here? 2x squared. We're going to move everything on the same side since it's a quadratic, and then try to factor it or solve it. So let's subtract 11x from both sides. This cancels. 8 is going to be equal to 2x squared minus 6x. Move the 8 on the other side. So it's going to be 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 6x minus 8. What can I do now? Factoring? GCF. We're going to take the GCF. If you have a GCF, take it out before you do anything. So what is my GCF? 2. Let's take out 2. What do I have inside? What is left in the parentheses?
X squared minus 3x plus minus 4.
All right. Now we do the factoring. How can I factor? There are so many ways to do it.
Trinomial.
The trinomial. So it's the factoring in the trinomial. So negative 4, negative 3. Give me two factors.
Negative 4 and 1.
Negative 4 and 1. Thank you. So 0 is going to be equal to 2 times x minus 4, x plus 1. Am I done? Why not? The bottom? I have to find the x values. These are my factors. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is going to be equal to 4. X is going to be equal to negative 1. These are my answers. These are my solutions. Now you have to find the restriction. The restriction will be whatever you have in the denominator. All of them are going to be your restriction. You're going to set them equal to 0 so you can find your restriction. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. What's the value for x over here?
2.
Once you get the value, we
Set it to
cross.
line.
And what's the value over here?
Negative 8 over 11.
These are your restriction. Any questions? Great. If not, then do number 6. Okay, let's look at number 6. So you do the cross multiplication here and here. At the end, you are going to get 2x squared minus, I'm not breaking it down, I'm just showing you're supposed to get this one. It's going to be equal to 0. You take out 2 as a GCF, and it's going to become x squared minus 5x plus 6 is going to be equal to 0. Now you factor, and your factors are going to be x minus 2, x minus 3, right? What are the x values? X equal to 2, x equal to 3. These are the answers, right? And what are the restrictions now? Okay. So the restriction is going to be x is not equal to 7 and x is not equal to 3. Now pay attention to this one. You said that x value is 3. Now you are saying x value is not equal to 3. How can that work? We got the answer from the problem, but we are getting the restriction also from the problem. It means this is going to be what?
The restriction is negative.
Okay. All right. So we cannot talk about this one. So we have to talk about this one in another problem. All right. We're good on this one. Let's look at number 2. This is a very magical problem that makes your life very, very easy. Why? Because both the denominators are same. If you have both denominators same, you can just get rid of them and make it a plain equation. So there will be no denominator, nothing. But don't you think that if I'm getting rid of them, there is no restriction? Of course there is restriction. We are just getting rid of it because we are just multiplying everything with the same one. It's canceling it out. That's it. That's the only thing we are doing. So here, when we work on this one, both of them has, it's going to only work if you have exact same denominator. Other than that, you cannot do it. Technically, you are multiplying both of them with, since you are doing the cross multiplication, technically since the same thing, they are going to cancel each other either way. We're just moving one step ahead and solving it, making it easy for us. So what I can do for this one, I'm doing it over here, I don't have space. X minus 1 is going to be equal to 2. Both of them are gone. Clear? All right, now what should I do? Add 1 on both sides, cancels out, x is going to be equal to 3. What is my restriction now? Here is the problem. Now you are saying x is equal to 3. Now you are again saying x is not equal to 3. How can that work? It can work because this is going to be our extraneous solution. We did it before. When we had the radicals, we put that, okay, one of the answer is going to work, the other one is not working, even though we are getting both of them. So if that happens, your solution and your restriction is contradicting each other. It means you cannot have this solution. But this is a solution. This is an extraneous solution. So be mindful while you are working during the quiz or the test. We try to check that whether you understand all this concept. There will be solution, there will be extraneous solution, there will be restrictions. Be mindful on those. All right? Okay. Let's do one problem like this. Do number 5. I'm giving you 3 minutes. When I was checking, almost all of you did the same thing. It's not wrong, but it's not right either. So since both the denominators are same, so we're going to get rid of it. We don't need to worry about it. So it's going to be x squared minus 1 is going to be equal to 3. So now move 1. So x squared is going to be equal to 4. Now what can I do? Square root it. So take the radical. What comes with radical? Plus and minus. So x is going to be equal to plus and minus 2. So it means x is going to be equal to 2. X is going to be equal to negative 2. Now what is my restriction?
X cannot equal negative, which makes negative 2 extraneous.
So this is going to be my extraneous solution. Questions? Confusions? Great. Okay, let's do one more. Let's work on, I'm going to show number 4. So far, whatever we did, everything was 2 terms. Now we are going to work on 3 terms. Nothing changes. The only thing is, whatever is alone on one side, you really don't have to worry about it at the beginning. We're just going to keep it at the very end. We will only work on the side where you have 2 terms, and we're going to simplify them. And when you have 2 terms, we're going to do the modified butterfly that you say. We made it up anyways. So what we're going to do here, we're going to multiply this with this one, this with this one, and the denominator with the denominator. Okay, let's work on it. So 50 times x is going to be 50x, and then minus 16. Don't forget, you have to keep it in a parenthesis. So x minus 2 over x minus 2 times x. On the other side is just 30 over x. We didn't do anything to it yet. We good up to here? All right. 50x will stay as it is. We don't have to worry about it. What happens over here? What do I get? Plus 32. At the denominator, just keep it as it is. We don't have to worry about it right now. One more thing is that if you look at this one, is equal to 30 over x. Now please pay attention to the board. Alright, look at the denominator. Is anything matching? The x and x is matching, so we can really get rid of it. We don't have to carry it over. It's going to make our life easy. Whichever is matching in the denominator, you can cancel. Don't try to cancel the bottom and the up. You cannot just cancel this x with this one. Don't ask me that. We cannot do it. But the sidewise, yes, they get cancelled out. Technically, it's not cancelled out. Technically, we are multiplying both of them with an x, so we can cancel it out. That's the whole thought process behind it. And do I have any like term on the numerator? Okay, so what do I get? 34x plus 32 is over x minus 2 is going to be equal to 30 over 1. Do I have any do I have anything denominator, what is that, GCF? On the top? What is the GCF? 2. Anything bigger than 2? 4 is going to work?
No.
Okay. I'm just making sure. Plus 16 over x minus 2 going to be equal to 30 over 1. Now we can divide both of them with the 2 just to simplify. Equations, whenever you are doing, we can do the cross multiplication. That's going to also cancel it out. Or if you want in this step, you can do that. So if you don't want to remember all these rules, we can just cancel out once we do all this simplification. That will also work. So here I have 17x plus 16 is going to be equal to 30x minus 2. Let's distribute. We just took the GCF of 2. Instead of distributing, let's just divide. So I can simplify first and deal with a simpler number. Again, you don't have to. If you just continue working, still you are going to have the same one. I just wanted to simplify it. So 17x plus 16 is going to be equal to 15x minus 30. What should I do? Say it again. It's a linear. So bring x on one side, number on the other side. It's going to solve it for you. So 17 minus 15x, it's going to be 2x is equal to, move the 16 on the other side, it's going to be negative 46. What do I do? X is going to be equal to negative 23. Am I done? So, give me the restrictions now.
X is not equal to 2 and x is not equal to 0.
Does everyone agree with those restrictions? X is not equal to what?
2.
And?
And x is not equal to 0.
Any questions on this? Great. Let's do number 7. I'm going to show you number 8. Let's do number 7. Let me talk about the homework before that. Go ahead, go to your homework packet. So we already did up to division. And we're going to do the solving rational equations. There are 12 problems, front and back. Show all your work, all the restrictions. Tomorrow's quiz will be whatever we did from day 1 up to day 9. There is only 2 topics left. We're going to have it. And Friday we're going to have a review. Monday next week we're going to have a test. All right? And we're going to wrap up this unit. Yes. Tomorrow. The whole thing that we did up to day 9, it's due tomorrow. All right. Any questions?